Hello, good day. So this is a demonstration video on how you can contact us via WhatsApp. First of all, ensure you're logged into your back office, and at the top, you're going to see WhatsApp and the WhatsApp logo. So you click on it. It's going to show you this page, and it's going to ask you to continue to chat. So if you have WhatsApp already on your laptop or your phone, it's going to open up our WhatsApp number for you to continue to chat with us. So I'll click on it. So the WhatsApp is opening now. So it's going to show you, it's going to bring you to our customer care, our front desk officer, for you to chat with them. Thank you for watching this video.